Have you ever been at the Wesley School or Camp Kidney? Yes. What about you, Mr. Fingers and Harold? Mr. Fingers says he thinks so too. Yeah, speaking about that, I heard about the crossovers before. Baby Lamb Creations loved cartoons, movies, and childhoods and more. Even the Alphabet Shed show. Like us. I'm a zebra, alright. And zebras are a young one. Oh, remember the Toy Story series? Mr. Fingers likes Hand in the Box. Harold likes Bullseye. Oh, I like Babyface. I like Ducky. He quacks. Oh, speaking about that, let's wait for the windmill to come. Right, Mr. Fingers? He said yes. Great, it's the windmill. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're here. Let's listen for a sound. Listen. Heard it. Come on! You coming, Mr. Fingers? He said, coming! Woo! Check this out! You're gonna see this! Whoa, that is a waterfall I ever seen! Mr. Fingers says, that is the coolest waterfall I ever seen. Yeah, I think so too. Hey, speaking about it, let's wait for the windmill to stop. Shall we? Come on. Hey, you want to go to the Wesley School or Camp Kidney? Of course, Quackles. Let's go.